today we are going to explore a very common conversation that you would be having in day-to-day lives. How to ask somebody how they are doing and how would you answer that. So how are you doing? In formal German, you would say, wie geht es Ihnen? Ihnen being the formal pronoun. Wie geht es Ihnen? And then when you want to say it in an informal context, that would be, wie geht es dir? Or even more informal, and this is what we use more commonly, wie geht's? As simple as wie geht's? And now, to answer that question, mir geht es gut. Mir geht es sehr gut when you're doing really well. So, now you want to answer the question and ask them back. Danke, sehr gut. Danke, gut. Es geht. And then to ask it back to them, und Ihnen, that is informal context. And when it's informal, the same answer, danke sehr gut, oder danke gut, und dir, in the informal context. Now, we are going to explore some additional vocabulary in German. So when you are doing really well, how would you answer? Different words to answer that. Super. Wunderbar. Ausgezeichnet. Toll. Prima. Fantastisch. Out of this, super, wunderbar, prima, those are very common words to answer back with. But suppose, unfortunately, you're not doing really well and you want to be honest about it. For that, the vocabulary would be, mir geht's schlecht. Schlecht meaning bad. Oder, mir geht es nicht gut. Or, ich bin müde. That would mean, I am tired. Or, I'm not doing well at all. Furchtbar. Or, if you are sick and you want to say, I am sick, it would be, ich bin krank. And that's all for today's lesson. But you can do additional activities on our app and our AI, Muri, would help you with those. Thank you.